What? This is my real hair. It grows from my scalp. What are you talking about? Welcome back. I'm here with another bomb wig video. Okay, so today we're with Divaswigs and I'm excited for this wig. I don't know why, but I feel like it's the name. It's like I expect just top quality. You know, a diva needs the best of the best. Since 2012, and oh, by the way, my nails, you see them? I have a video up now of while I was doing my nails. You guys requested it, so I can't believe I actually did my nails this well. Like, for me to actually do my nails this well, it looked like I actually went to the nail shop. Remember, I had no experience doing nails. I never went to school nor nothing. I literally just went ahead on YouTube, watched a couple tutorials, practiced on myself and my sister and mom, and it was not for long. It's like within the past month or so, and I can't believe it. I don't think I only go to the nail tech if I really want to get something super extra. So check that video out. But anyways, back to the wig. So yeah. So once I open the package, this is what I see on the inside, and I love, I don't know, the black drawstring bag. Just it looks a little bit, it looks sophisticated to me. It looks classy. Once I open the box and I see this, I don't know, the black against the white, I don't know, it just look, you know. So I like that. So obviously this is the hair, but before we get into the hair, let's see what else is there. Oh, I see this really nice white immaculate looking brush. Oh, as I said, I love when I get them little nice something here in my package. It's just like, I really like that. So I got this brush, and it has their website listed at the tail end. It says www.divaswigs.com. We have a little pamphlet here, and it's basically telling me the specs of the hair, so which we're gonna get into a bit. So it has that, and it goes in deeper with information. So it's telling you about how to wash the wigs, the wig cutting, the lace, all that stuff. So this looks like a little wig bible. The final thing we have, very essential piece here, is a wig cap. Always a plus to get wig caps. Okay, so this hair is some straight hair. It's 18 inches long, 150% in density. Of course, you can see it's a natural color. And it came with a super fine invisible Swiss lace. I've been so excited to try out this kind of lace. I've never tried it before. So the lace color, they say, is suitable for all skin tones. So I'm just so excited. They say it's an upgraded realistic hairline as well. So I'm here wondering if I want to just go ahead and test it out as is and not even go in and pluck anymore, and see how I like it, because this looks pretty nicely plucked. I'm not gonna lie, this is plucked very realistic. It doesn't have like, okay, so what I've realized with a lot of new wigs these days, they always try to make sure they do pre-plucked wigs to make it more convenient for customers. But what I realize is like they do an inch of plucking and it's very definite. So that's why I go in sometimes and go behind there and make it have a little bit more of a gradient effect or more graduation. So with this, I am not seeing that. They kind of did make sure they did the plucking in like a zigzag motion. I don't even know if you can pick that up, but it looks so realistic, and against my skin tone it looks really good. Construction looks pretty good inside. My naga light comes with 4 combs inside, and you can add an elastic band inside if you need more security. It has also adjustable straps in the back, and this is how the lace is looking. I've never received any lace that has like this free edge look. Feels very thin, so you want to be definitely more careful with this kind of lace. But you know what, I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install this as is. I'm not gonna do nothing to the lace. I'm not gonna pluck it no more, no nothing. Should I do a center part? I think I'm gonna do a side part. It has pretty good parting space on the inside, so I'm gonna do that. So, but I always get, all my wig cap sizes are medium. I always get a medium cap size. Yeah, and that works out for me. If I get small, it's definitely not going to fit. So I'm actually going to be applying the center first, like what I did the other day in one of my recent videos. I don't know if you noticed how once I cut the excess lace, how when I just reapply a little bit I got to be how it just melted down and look completely transparent on my scalp. Like, you see, because I believe because the Swiss lace is so thin, I don't know, it just really mirrored the skin, or the scalp rather. I really love how that's looking. It really reminds me kinda like of the transparent lace. And as I can see, I did like 2 swoops at the side, like up here, and then just very small sideburn action. But I love the lace so much. They gave me plucked perfection to the point where I didn't have to do anything. And if you know me, you know that I always find something else to do. So this already came customized perfectly. Okay. So you know for it. Oh, and I went ahead and put it in a little ponytail. You know, one of them easy little ponytail there. See, nothing too serious because it is a 360 wig. So throw it on, install it nicely, and put it up in a bun and do what you gotta do. No makeup, no nothing, and you're good. You're good. You're straight. So like, it really blends in really nicely with my skin tone. No makeup added, no form of extra tinting. It came pre-plucked, bleached, tinted, everything already. They already did it all for you. So this wig is a win-win. Very natural looking. Lace is hard to detect. That's just always a goal with a lace wig. So I'm actually going to proceed though to, you know, laying it down flat. As I said, I want to do side parts. I was going to do the center, I was going to give him, but no, I'm gonna do side parts. So okay, I'm going to actually tie it down because I didn't even like tie it down with a wrap strip or anything. So you know the drill. I'm gonna get my my hot comb and everything, and I'm gonna just lay it down flat. But I'm not gonna lie, to do a little side swoop like this with no parting would totally give me argante vibes. Like, you got a nicely plucked wig with the edges laying very flat, like nobody can talk to you. Nobody Nobody at all. Nobody can talk to you. Like, what? What? This is my real hair. It grows from my scalp. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh. Wait. And you guys know I love using the wax since recently to really lay the roots of my wigs. I'm putting some layers in because when you got a side swoop looking like this, looks really good with well, not swoop, but like, you know, you got layers, it just make everything look so nice. So I got a little glammed. You know my vibes already. Like, so this wig, oh my gosh, it's giving me so much life. And I'm using the little brush that I got. Just so nice. This looks so good, guys, and the layers look so good on it. So good. Like, I love it. Look at that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. That is really nice. So I just, you know, kind of tuck one side behind and leave the next side in front. This looks so good. Definitely feeling like a diva. Oh my gosh. No, look at that. Look at that lace. Look at that lace. Like, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And as you can see, I really didn't have to do any baby hairs. Like, if you know, I know a lot of people love that complete full pull back look, and sometimes I rock it myself. I definitely recommend this wig if you're looking for a super natural hairline look and really convenient for a, you know, top bun, that kind of vibe, because it is a 360 wig. The Swiss lace, I definitely give it, you know, like a 9 out of 10. Why do I give it a 9 out of 10? Because I need more time to still, you know, sit with it, play with it, and see how it is. It's my first Swiss lace wig. It's my first Swiss lace wig. I have a lot of transparent laces and HD laces, and they are bomb. It doesn't leave like a casty look. I don't know if you understand what I mean by that. Sometimes you can tell that there is lace there on the skin, but for this it just looks completely transparent and it looks like your scalp, and that I can appreciate. So Divaswigs, shout out to you guys for, you know, doing your thing on the quality. It's really nice. The hair feels good. You know, if I feel like it's corporate world appropriate, you know, natural 1B hair color vibes, the construction, everything. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the weekend actually, because it's a vibe. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the weekend. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Really hope it was informative. If it was, give it a thumb up, and all the information to this wig will be in my description box, so go ahead, check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and make up on yourself.